I'm Saitech and welcome back to my channel Saitech. In today's we'll try to test the Type-C OnePlus adapter to 3.5mm jack test in the IQ7 device. So let's see friends whether if you are trying to use the OnePlus Type-C to 3.5mm jack, how it's working in this phone. So that is what a lot of users are really having this kind of question as well and doubts, serious doubts, and finally I got hands-on with this OnePlus 3.5mm jack, as you can see friends. So I did see so many people discussing about this in my channel and a lot of videos regarding the OnePlus 3.5mm jack to Type-C. So let's see friends what will happen in this kind of my testing, whether this Type-C to 3.5mm jack adapter will be working all right or not. I did have the normal earphones as well, as you can clearly see. So let's check in this video. I'll try to demonstrate you whether you'll be able to use it properly or not. And I'm doing this review after using with Type-C adapter for 1 day. So for 1 day I did use the Type-C adapter for myself while listening to the music and while playing the games and while talking in the calls as well. So this is a review, that is what I'm trying to talk after using for 1 day. I'll be giving you my thoughts what is happening with this Type-C adapter. So once let's connect to the Type-C adapter to the IQ7 device friends. So here is IQ7 smartphone. Let's try connecting the 3.5mm jack. So let's see, as soon as you connect you should be able to detect the 3.5mm jack on the top, as you can clearly see here. So you're able to see some kind of notification on the top as well. You're getting the clear notification on the top as well. So test 1 is to test while listening to the normal music. So let's see friends, while listening to the music how well it will be able to perform. And one more thing, if you're trying to listen to the music using the earphones, so there's another option where you can select. So try to click on this deep feel, so you can enable the effects as well. This will give you really very good effects if in case if you want to use different kind of surrounding or bass kind of effects. These are really good. So but overall friends, I did enjoy the music while listening to this Type-C adapter from the OnePlus, which is really good. So without any disturbance, the audio is perfectly coming from left and right. There is no interference at all in terms of the left and right audio during this time of usage. So now let me try to show you the demo by keeping the mic close to the earphone, so you will be able to listen. So right now I did disable all the effects, so there is no effects right now running. Let me try to keep the mic close to the earphones. So now you should be able to hear the audio coming from the mic. I'm trying to use a different settings to show you the effects. And now let's test while playing the games as well. So let's see how well it will be able to perform while gaming. That is another thing a lot of users they did ask me always regarding the gaming. So now let's see friends how well the Type-C adapter from the OnePlus will be able to handle the gaming experience by using the 3.5mm jack. So let me try to quickly open one of the games. So let's try by shooting first. Let me try to open the PUBG game, because a lot of users are there really interested to know how is the PUBG experience is working by using this kind of Type-C port. That is what I'm trying to test right now in this video. So let's see friends, the same thing I'm going to do. I'll try to bring the mic close to the earphones and I'll try to fire, so maybe you might be able to hear the sound at the time, so you can understand the latency as well. Is there any kind of difference or not? Let me try to quickly show you. Let me try to start the match and I'll be back. So even in my experience, I did play a couple of games, mainly Call of Duty and sometimes PUBG. So I did not experience any kind of sound delay or lag by using this kind of method. The sound was exactly same feeling I'm getting as there was some 3.5mm jack port as well. So no issues in terms of the sound quality while playing the games particularly. I'll try to show you I'll try to keep the mic near the earphone, so you might be able to see the difference in terms of the sound quality in case if there is any kind of difference you would feel. And make sure to comment below friends in case if you want me to try any other different kind of testing using this kind of 3.5mm jack. So definitely I can do that kind of testings in this phone. So right now I'm trying to play the team deathmatch only, but later I'll try to start the battle as well. But I just want to show you how is the experience using the team deathmatch, the sound effects. So make sure to comment below, friends, in case if you feel any kind of difference or not in terms of using this way. So usually I did not feel any kind of difference in terms of using this method. Overall it looks completely fine for me.
Killing spree for the red team. Nice shot. Reloading.
So overall it looks really great, and now let me try to start the another kind of match gameplay, so you might be able to feel any kind of difference or not. Let me try to do that first. So right now I'm trying to start the normal match, so make sure to comment below, friends, in case if you feel any kind of difference while jumping.
Marked a location.
So I'm doing my best to make you hear the exact audio coming from the mic or coming from these earphones,
Excellent.
so that you know exactly how is the audio experience while gaming, particularly in this phone. So that is what I'm trying to show you at this point. So once after I'm getting done, I'll try to show you the exactly shooting sounds as well. I'll make you hear the sounds. So right now I did get the gun, so let me need to start shooting. As you can see, friends, I think there's not much latency happening using this kind of one place Type-C adapter to 3.5mm jack, so it should be kind of okay, I think so overall. And make sure to comment below, friends, in case if you feel any kind of differences or any kind of problems using this one place 3.5mm jack. So definitely do let me in the comments below. I can do that kind of testing as well. So even while calling as well, I did not feel any kind of issue. So if you have any kind of problem, so make sure to comment below. I can do that kind of testing while talking in the call as well. I can upload that video in case if you're interested. So thank you for watching this video, friends. Overall, this is a small review on this OnePlus Type-C 3.5mm jack to the using in the IQ7 device, where a lot of users are really interested to know how will be the sound experience using this kind of Type-C or OnePlus One. So this is a really good experience during this one. I think it's kind of worth of buying for the OnePlus 7 users compulsory. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.